Are you ready to transform your front yard into a Halloween spectacle that will leave your neighbors talking all season long? Do you want to create spooky, budget-friendly decorations that are sure to impress trick-or-treaters and passers-by alike? Whether you're aiming for a haunted graveyard, a whimsical pumpkin display, or an interactive spooky scene, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll explore the best front yard Halloween decor ideas that will make your home the ultimate Halloween destination. How can I create a spooky haunted graveyard in my front yard? Creating a haunted graveyard is one of the most iconic ways to set the Halloween mood for your front yard. Here's how you can make it both eerie and eye-catching. Tombstones and grave markers. Start by placing tombstones of various sizes and shapes throughout your yard. You can purchase affordable tombstones or make your own using foam board and spray paint. Add personalized inscriptions to give each grave a unique story. Fog machines and lighting. Use a fog machine to create an ethereal mist that blankets your graveyard at night. Pair this with strategically placed lighting, such as green or purple spotlights. Cast haunting shadows and highlight key features like tombstones and skeletal figures. Creepy accents. Enhance the haunted atmosphere with props like skeletal hands emerging from the ground, ghostly figures lurking among the graves, and cobwebs draped over tombstones. Incorporate sound effects like distant wails or chains rattling to complete the spine-chilling experience. If you enjoyed these Halloween tips, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. How do I design a Phantom Circus theme for my front yard? Phantom Circus theme adds a mysterious and enchanting twist to your Halloween decoration. Here's how to create this unique theme. Circus tent backdrop. Set up a small tent or use fabric to create the illusion of a circus big top. Decorate it with torn banners and string lights to give it an old, haunted feel. Creepy clown props. Incorporate creepy clown figures, both big and small, placed strategically around the yard. Use oversized clown shoes, red noses, and mismatched clothing to enhance the eerie effect. Twisted carnival games. Set up mock carnival games with a spooky twist. Use props like broken ticket booths, skeletons playing games, and eerie prizes to complete the Phantom Circus look. For more Halloween inspiration, check out our playlist in the description. What are some DIY front yard Halloween decorations that are budget-friendly? You don't need to spend a fortune to create impressive Halloween decorations. Here are some budget-friendly DIY ideas that will make your front yard spooktacular without breaking the bank. Ghost lanterns. Transform empty milk jugs into glowing ghost lanterns. Draw spooky faces with a permanent marker, cut a hole in the back, and insert a battery-operated tea light. Line them up along your walkway for an eerie glow. Spider webs. Create giant spider webs using black yarn or string. Stretch them between trees, across bushes, or over your front door. Add plastic spiders for an extra creepy effect. For a more realistic look, spray some glitter on the webs to catch the light at night. Pumpkin alternatives. Use painted rocks or balloons as substitutes for pumpkins. Paint them orange and draw jack-o'-lantern faces. These are perfect for porches or small spaces and are a great way to involve kids in the decoration process. Got any spooky ideas of your own? Drop them in the comments below. What are the best lighting ideas to enhance my front yard Halloween setup? Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood for your Halloween decorations. Here are the best lighting ideas to elevate your front yard setup. Colored spotlights. Use colored spotlights in green, purple, or red to highlight key features like tombstones, trees, or decorative props. This adds depth and a supernatural glow to your display. String lights. Wrap string lights around trees, bushes, or along your fence to create a haunting ambiance. Opt for orange or flickering candlelight bulbs to enhance the Halloween vibe. Projection lights. Invest in projection lights that cast moving shadows, such as ghosts, bats, or spiderwebs across your house or yard. These are easy to set up and can create a dynamic, chilling effect without much effort. Don't miss out on our latest Halloween content. Subscribe now. How can I make my front yard decorations interactive or animated? Interactive and animated decorations engage visitors and create a memorable Halloween experience. Here's how to make your front yard decorations come alive. Motion-activated props. Incorporate motion-activated props like skeletons that pop out of graves, doors that creak open, or witches that cackle when someone approaches. These surprises add an element of fun and fright. Sound effects. Use outdoor speakers to play spooky sounds like howling wolves, creaking doors, or eerie music. Sync the sounds with your animated props for a cohesive experience. Interactive pathways. Create interactive pathways with light-up stepping stones, fog machines triggered by motion sensors, or areas where visitors can trigger their own effects, like turning on lights or playing sounds as they walk by. Want more Halloween ideas? Check out similar videos in the description. What are some creative ways to incorporate natural elements into Halloween decorations? Using natural elements can add an authentic and organic touch to your Halloween decor. Here are some creative ideas. Autumn leaves and branches. Collect fallen leaves and branches to create rustic decorations. Use them to frame your front door, make wreaths, or create spooky shapes like bats and spiders. Pumpkins and gourds. In addition to traditional pumpkins, use a variety of gourds in different shapes and sizes. Paint or carve them with unique designs to add visual interest to your display. Natural materials for props. Craft props from natural materials like wood, stones, and pine cones. For example, create a scarecrow using old clothes and sticks, or stack stones to form eerie shapes and symbols. Like what you see? Find all the products used in this video in the description. Now that you have all these fantastic front yard Halloween decor ideas, it's time to bring your vision to life and make this Halloween the best one yet. Whether you're going for a spooky haunted graveyard, a whimsical pumpkin paradise, or an interactive phantom circus, these tips will help you create a memorable and captivating display. Don't forget to mix and match these ideas to suit your style and space. Happy Halloween decorating!